travellers, reward enthusiasts and credit score builders. In this channel, I cover all types of credit cards. I'll give you an overview of the card, its pros and cons, and my take on that card. If you have a credit card that you'd like me to cover, let me know in the comments below. In today's video, I'll be going over the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. The Chase Freedom Unlimited provides an appealing mix of worthwhile rewards, adaptable redemption possibilities, a protracted 0% APR introductory offer, and a sign-up bonus that exceeds the value of most cashback cards, all for a zero annual fee. The Chase Freedom Unlimited card has an excellent earning rate for a card that costs nothing to own. It might be advisable to take the Chase Freedom Unlimited into consideration if you're looking for an all-purpose workhorse card. With no yearly fee, this card earns above average rewards on dining out, shopping at pharmacies and travel, in addition to respectable rewards on all other types of expenditure. When used in conjunction with another premium Chase card, this card offers even greater value in terms of points. Standard advantages include purchase protection, extended warranty protection, rental car insurance, trip cancellation and interruption insurance, as well as travel and emergency support services are also included with this card. Another useful feature is if your card is lost or stolen, is Chase's ability for cardholders to lock and unlock their card through a mobile app. It's not a typical choice, but some card issuers do offer it. In addition, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card is contactless, meaning you can use it to touch it to a contactless credit card reader rather than swipe or insert it. It's not accessible from all credit card providers, however this feature makes checkout faster and more secure. Through its credit journey program, the bank offers free access to your credit score, but even if you don't have a Chase credit card, you may sign up for that score without paying anything. Additionally, bear in mind that a lot of sizable credit card companies offer free access to your FICO credit score, which is more likely to be considered by lenders. As is customary in the credit card sector, Chase provides telephone customer assistance around the clock. If the situation doesn't require immediate attention, you can send a secure message using your online account. You can utilize the Chase mobile app for general account management. But in order to be approved for this card, you'll need a credit score that is good to excellent, which is regarded as being between 670 and 850. You can be sure that every card has its pros and cons. Let's dive into the pros and cons of the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. Here are the pros. Number 1. A flat earnings rate with bonus earning spending categories. Number 2. 3 respectable introductory offers. Number 3. Flexible redemption options. Number 4. A generous welcome offer for a credit card with no annual charge. Number 5. For cashback incentives, there is no limit to how much you can earn at 1.5%. Number 6. There is no yearly cost. And number 7. An initial APR period. And now for the cons. Number 1. Foreign transaction charge. Number 2. There is a significant ongoing balance transfer cost. Number 3. To transfer points to travel companions, a companion card is necessary. Number 4. Various other cards provide greater flat reward rates. While not the greatest rate available, this card's 1.5% cashback on non-bonus category purchases is better than the industry average. For instance, the Citi Double Cash card, which has no annual fee as well, offers 1% cashback on purchases in addition to 1% cashback when you settle your account. And lastly, number 5, credit must be good or excellent. We've heard about the pros and cons. Now let me introduce you to how you can earn rewards and tell you my thoughts on the card. The rewards with this card on most purchases couldn't be any easier. With the addition of the opportunity to earn 5% cashback on travel booked through Chase and 3% on dining and drugstore purchases after your first year, it now offers a flat 1.5% cashback on expenditure that is not covered by its improved bonus category rewards. When it comes to using your hard-earned rewards, the Chase Freedom Unlimited card offers 4 alternatives. Requesting cashback as a direct payment or statement credit is the simplest method. You can redeem using this option at any time from your account. Though the minimum redemption amount may vary, you can also spend your points to purchase gift cards or make travel arrangements. Utilising points to make purchases on Amazon.com is one of the final possibilities. Generally speaking, you'll receive the same value no matter how you use your rewards. Each point is worth 1 cent. But bear in mind, your points are only worth 0.8 cents each when you order online through Amazon.com. Additionally, you might receive beyond par value from several other Chase cards, at least for specific transactions, if you move your points to them. These cards include the Chase Sapphire Preferred, Chase Sapphire Reserve, and Inc. Business Unlimited. If you're a member of a loyalty club and find a great offer through a travel partner, that can be really useful. You might be able to significantly raise the value of a point by using your ultimate rewards points to benefit from monetary deals provided by Chase's travel partners. The following is a list of Chase's partners: Aer Lingus Air Club, Air Canada Aeroplan, British Airways Executive Club, Emirates Skywards, Fly Blue Air France KLM, Iberia Plus, JetBlue TrueBlue, Singapore Airlines KrisFlyer, Southwest Airlines Rapid Rewards, United Mileage Plus, Virgin Atlantic Flying Club, IHG Rewards Club, Marriott Bonvoy, and World of Hyatt. In order to optimize your earnings, use your card as frequently as you can, at the very least for purchases for which one of the other cards you own doesn't give a great rewards rate. Consider carrying additional cards in your wallet that give greater bonus rewards rates than this 1.5% rate for specific purchases in order to potentially earn extra points. As an illustration, you may combine the Chase Freedom Unlimited and the Chase Freedom Flex, which offers a changing quarterly list of categories on which you can receive 5% cashback. The Chase Freedom Unlimited could therefore be used for anything else, while the Chase Freedom Flex may be used for the extra categories that are currently offered. Although the Chase Freedom Unlimited is a credit card that offers cashback, you really receive rewards in the form of Chase Unlimited Rewards points. This makes calculating the value of your rewards a little more difficult, because you must multiply the points by 1 cent each to determine their value as a credit to your statement. You may be able to get a greater rate than 1-to-1 by adding more Chase Rewards cards. You can move points from the card on which you earn them to other Chase cards so that you can use them to earn more rewards. The ability to transfer points on a 1-to-1 scale allows you to possibly earn more than you would with cash incentives, which is a benefit of earning points. Finally, if you like the card and believe your relatives and friends would enjoy it, suggest it to them. You will receive $200 cashback for each authorized referral you make, up to a maximum of $500 each year. The welcome bonus should not be overlooked either. If you make $500 in purchases during the first 3 months of creating your account, the card will give you a $200 bonus. Plus, you can spend up to $6,000 in the first year and get 5% cashback on gas station purchases. Overall, I'd rate the rewards as 10 out of 10. The benefits are 8 out of 10. The no annual fee has to be 10 out of 10. And customer service I would rate as 9 out of 10. The Chase Freedom Unlimited is made for consumers who desire a straightforward rewards system that offers respectable returns and some exciting new bonus earning opportunities. This credit card should be on your radar if you're searching for a top-of-wallet option that won't demand additional effort to optimize its value. If you have additional cards that earn Chase Ultimate Rewards points, it is especially worthwhile to take into account, since you may combine your points from all of these cards to get the most value possible. For instance, when you redeem your rewards for travel through Chase, you'll get 25% more value if you have the Inc. Business Preferred or the Chase Sapphire Preferred credit cards, as well as giving you 50% extra with the Chase Sapphire Reserves. The 3 cards listed also enable 1-to-1 point transfers to specific hotels and air reward programs. You might be able to maximize the worth of your points by using them in different ways after that. For those seeking a bonus that won't break the bank to earn and an introductory 0% APR on purchases that lasts for a fair amount of time, the card may be worthwhile. Therefore, before applying for this card or any other, I advise you to consider every possible scenario. This wraps up my review of the Chase Freedom Unlimited credit card. Thank you for watching and let me know what you think of it. These videos take a long time to make and are a labour of love. If you would like to see my channel grow, please help spread the word. And until next time, remember, credit cards are fun when played strategically.